Stop snoring by using these helpful tips. You don't need a medical diagnosis to tell you that you snore. What you do need, though, is a reason for it. The reasons for snoring are vast and sometimes complicated. Your doctor may be able to shed some light on the situation, but we suggest you keep watching to find out if any of these tips will work for you. Many people find that breathing strips are an effective and fairly affordable means of cutting down on the snoring. However, some people have expressed problems with preventing the strips from falling off during the night. Before applying the strip, use an alcohol-based toner to swab the nose and surrounding area. This will allow the adhesive strips to firmly grip the skin all night long. One of the most effective ways to stop snoring is to cease alcohol use. When you consume alcohol, the muscles in the back of your throat become too relaxed. This state of relation can increase your chances of snoring. If you really want to drink, only have one or two. Some people find sleeping with pillows stacked under their back to be helpful in reducing snoring. This puts you in a nearly sitting position. This prevents nasal drainage from getting into your nose. Instead, you should let them flow into your lungs. This will prevent you from snoring loudly. If you smoke, quit. Smoking causes respiratory issues, and may actually be causing your snoring problem. To relieve that nighttime rattling, put down the cigarettes. Not only will this help quiet your snoring, but you may also find yourself getting better sleep overall, since nicotine is well known for disrupting sleep patterns. Consider this video like a little genie in your pocket. It may take 3 wishes to get your snoring under control, but if you keep at it, you can discover the solution you need in order to sleep soundly and peacefully. Don't be afraid to try several things, as you never know what will finally do the trick. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.